Good morning, friends. I hope everything is going well in life. Today, my question, which I have received, is I have 48 to 100 things to do in a day, but I have only 24 hours. How should I manage? This is a time management problem that all of us face, whoever we are, whether we are housewives, mothers, students, business people. We have some, and we don't know where the time passes. So today I'm going to give you a strategy. Actually, it's like magic, which I have learned. So you see, I have a SWOT here, and it says very important, important, important but not urgent, not important. Now I have made a list of things, just general list, which we have to do sometime. Going for a walk, have breakfast, wash your clothes, cook lunch, go to the salon to cut my hair, listen to a podcast, speak to my mom on the phone, go buy groceries, visit my child's school, see to my child's homework. Now these are very important things. These are just examples. A student will have other priorities. Now each one has to be fitted into one of these squares. So you will know what is important. For example, going for a walk. Now, where would I put it, going for a walk? Is it very important? Is it important? Is it important but not urgent and I have to do it just now? And it's not important. It's okay, I can do it a little later. So I have to find in these squares, where do I fit my thing? This is putting my priorities right. So then I am not stressed out that I think everything is important. Now if I have to go to the salon, it's not important, I can go tomorrow. If I have to visit my child's school and I have been called to the school, then it is very important. I have to be there. If I have to see to my child's homework, it is important, but I don't have to do it early in the morning. I can do it a little later. If I need to talk to my mom on the phone, is it very urgent? No, then I can fit it wherever I need to. So you know what is your day, how your schedule will be in the day. So try to figure out, write your things that you have to do during the day and put it in these 4 squares, and you will see how easy life is. So this is how to manage your time. Simple way time management has to be managed like this. Okay? All the best. God bless you. I love you.